I feel like this is going to be a lengthy video. This is definitely the pro or members video, so share amongst whoever you want to share it with. Um, I'm losing my voice, so bear with me. Not feeling the best. We'll switch over to SPC outlooks first, and then we'll look at the models. And excuse the coughing. All right. Overnight tonight, tomorrow morning up till 7, there is a general thunderstorm risk basically east of us. And we'll look at this on the model in a moment. We'll see some showers develop 1, 2 o'clock in the morning and work their way northeast. They'll start in southeast Kansas and work their way east. I don't anticipate much out of this at all. Moving on to tomorrow. All right, there is a marginal risk. This has not moved, and my confidence is like this on this setup tomorrow. It's going to be an afternoon, early evening event, and the last 5 model runs of the HRRR, the last 3 model runs of the NAM, have 3 total supercells out of this whole thing. I think that's overdone. Excuse me, guys. We will see a few storms out here. Yes, they will be strong to severe 60 quarter. Nothing outside of that. 65 $1/2 size hell. That's a stretch, but that's what we're getting with supercells. This will slowly evolve into a line and work its way east overnight, tomorrow night into Wednesday. Keeping my days straight here. All right. Day 3, which is Wednesday. That line will work its way through, and during the afternoon evening period on Wednesday, we will see showers and thunderstorms redevelop off that line. Those will be strong to severe. They will develop on top of the local area. Basically, Lawton, Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Joplin, they will develop along that line. As they work southeast, they will amplify and get stronger. Strongest risk, northwest Arkansas and eastern Oklahoma. 65 $1/2 size hail. It's going to be a classic cold front setup. No big deal. All right, moving over to, that's Wednesday. Thursday, we start seeing a new setup take place. I am so sorry, guys. All right. This is kind of like a precursor. This is, we don't have all the environment set up yet, but we've got severe weather. The main day is going to be Friday. Friday, big severe weather risk, and anything past day 3 and you're seeing yellow on the map, that means we'll probably see a level 3 or a level 4 severe weather risk that day. Just heads up. I think this is set up incorrectly. I think we're going to see a low pressure system here and cold front like that with trailing trough. So this area should be the severe zone, and then it will progress evening time through the area. To me, this is going to be a classic setup. I don't understand why SPC has this drawn out so weird. That will continue working its way southeast, and then moving on to Saturday, it pushes further south along the Red River. Again, I am so sorry. All right, so let's go through the models. This is tonight. We'll zoom down here. The NAM reflectivity. Let's go to HRRR. More current. All right, we'll start at 8 p.m. Hey, look, nothing's going on. Don't anticipate anything. 9 o'clock, 10, 11, midnight. We start seeing some stuff develop north of us. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. We start seeing some light showers develop close to the area. I still think it's going to be just north of us. Just north. 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11, and that's as far as the HRRR goes. So let's move over to the NAM. Start out at 11 a.m. tomorrow morning. That is not tomorrow morning. This is tomorrow morning. So noon, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, Here's the super cells I was talking about. Few and very far between. So that's why my confidence level on that is, see, it's just super low. Not a fan. All right, moving on. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. This finally starts getting some momentum that evening. 6 p.m., 7 p.m. starts working to the local area. Non-severe. This is just gusty winds, rain, stuff like that. 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m., 11, midnight. Whole lot of nothing going on, right? Just some light showers across the area. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I'm starting to see some elevated storms develop. Let's see, this is the 4th, so this is Wednesday morning. We've got some isolated showers out there. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11, noon. Starting to see a little more elevated storms develop. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. If this can tap into tap into the dew points and the instability, we could see this becoming low-grade severe event. I think it's going to be more rain, but we could see one-off strong severe storm out of that. As it works into the Joplin area, confidence is a little higher that it could be a severe complex. Again, 60 quarter, stuff like that. All right, 4 p.m., 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and midnight. That's as far as it goes. So that gives us just a snapshot of going through now through Thursday morning at midnight. And I'll have another video tomorrow going over all of that. That's really it. That's all I wanted to go over. Hopefully I'm in better shape tomorrow so we can go over this in more depth. All right, have a good night. We'll talk to you later.